Hello, and my name is Nika. Welcome back to the HomeAutomationX channel. We received all of these products in the mail and we are going to be opening them up right in front of you guys. And as usual, we will be giving all of these away to one lucky winner. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And also, if you want to enter into this giveaway, check out the links down below in the description box and you will know there how you can enter. Everything in this video can be yours. All you need to do is to be subscribed to the channel, which will give you a chance to win everything. We could keep these products, but it's our choice to give them away to you guys. There is no purchase necessary and you only need to be subscribed. However, if you want to support our channel, you can do so on our Patreon page, which will also give you access to our videos in advance and exclusive content like our bloopers. You only need to enter our contest once and you're good for all future unboxings. So we will pick our winner from the growing pool of entries. Click on the link in the description box below to get the details on how you can win all of these products. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first box and my X-Acto knife that you guys complain about because I don't cut away from myself. But I'm gonna be a rebel and I'm gonna continue doing what I do best. And that is not listen. Okay, so we have our first box right here. And I really like this because this is the Nipo massager. So if you often feel stressed and you feel pain in your back or your shoulders, a shoulder massage will relieve that for you. Or if you're like me and you've experienced car accidents, yeah, life sucks when you are in my shoes sometimes. So it comes with this little compartment where you can kind of package it away and the wiring. Now, obviously, it wasn't charged when it came in the box, so you do have to plug it in when you first take it out. Charge it, and you can walk around without the wire because it does have a battery, but I'm going to show you guys how it works. So now, when you turn it on, there's a power button right here, and the heat turns on automatically because it is red, but you can turn the heat off if you like, just like that. I like it on, and I can change the rotation with this, just like that. And I can increase the intensity with this one, just like that, And I can put it around me, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the rest right over here, guys. All right, now this is a big box. Oops, great. It unplugged. I can't do this. I'm gonna have to continue on without it because the universe doesn't want me to enjoy this video at the same time, eh? They only want you guys to enjoy it. I'm joking, totally joking. Totally enjoy this. So I love giving you guys this stuff, especially big boxes like this one. I have a vacuum cleaner. Ugh. A big, heavy vacuum cleaner. What is an unboxing video without me hitting the chandelier? Tell me, guys. Tell me. Okay, so this is a vacuum cleaner from ZK8077. Now this robotic vacuum cleaner is by In Life. Show you guys right here. All right, so it comes with the remote control and the manual and the vacuum itself. I'm gonna push this and show you guys inside. We have our little dustbin, and underneath we've got our two brushes, we got some extra brushes, we got our charging port, and then we have our adapter, and I will talk about this guy right now. So, oh my gosh. Okay, So a little bit about this vacuum cleaner is it has a 3-stage cleaning system to help pick up everything from small particles to large debris, and it also includes a HEPA filter, which I forgot to show you guys. It has 80 minutes of runtime before it goes back to charge. Now this is perfect for apartments or small spaces, and it works great on floors and carpets. It has 3 sets of infrared receiving sensors. So the unique algorithms, which quickly senses the environment and plans the optimal path for its fast cleaning. You can set an automatic daily cleaning schedule, and you can use virtual blocker, which is this guy right here, and it can prevent the robot from entering 10 feet on either side. So that's the vacuum cleaner, which I'm gonna push away from here. There we go. Okay, so box number, we have remember guys, if you want to enter this giveaway, check out our links down below. Lots and lots of giveaways to come. Now this is the QC, almost broke your gift guys, QC 1080p Wi-Fi outdoor camera. Now this is with the spotlight and the siren. So it is designed for your entryway, and it can be mounted indoors or outdoors. It comes with 2 wall mounts. So this is the camera right here. I will show you guys the wall mounts. So you can alert intruders that are being recorded and use the bright spotlight or the siren. All recordings can be saved locally to the SD card. And it also has night vision and can be used with the Alexa and Google Home. I want to show you guys the mounts here. So we have this one that kind of just screws in to here. And then we have another one as well there. All right, number 4, a little surprise, number 4. I wonder what the surprise is. I like surprises. Oh, what is this? Yes, it is our HomeAutomationX merchandise. You guys like it? I know, I love it too. So that's for you guys. And yeah, so don't forget guys, one lucky winner will win all these products. And yeah, check out our link down below in order to know how you can enter. Also guys, if you guys yet haven't subscribed, make sure you guys do subscribe to our channel to enter future giveaways. And check us out on Instagram, on Facebook, our website HomeAutomationX.com. And if you guys enjoyed this video, check out the rest of our videos here on the right. And I'll see you guys next time. Happy winning!